Sign up for my free ukulele course with the link down below. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is going to be on the guitar, so let's get started. For the song, I'm going to teach you guys the chords and then we'll go right into the strumming. Pretty easy song to play. So first chord we're going to use is the A minor 7 to an F, or you could do this one to a G, and then the other two chords that we're going to use is D minor and the E minor. Alright, so G, D minor, E minor. Alright, so here's a little example of the strum pattern. Alright, so that A minor 7, it's a little weird because it lands on the 2. So basically, without even thinking about that, it's just down, down, and F, down, down, and then G, down, down, up. So down, 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 up. Down, 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 we're going to do the same thing for the D minor and the E minor. So okay. So now the chord progression is A minor 7 to F to G, then A minor 7 to D to E minor. So we'll try that out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. One. There's also parts where you can alternate. There's like a little build on the D minor and the E minor, so it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and we'll try that out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So this part. So that's just a build up. You're gonna hear it in the song, but so here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So definitely listen for that in the song. You guys don't really have to do it, but that is how you play this song. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.